Welcome guys, I want to show you some secrets in Forex. Okay, if you look at a trade like this one, you might be thinking that this is a late entry and then you don't take the trade. But I've just realized that these are usually the best trades. Okay, it is easier to let price show you the direction and then you join the trade than it is for you to try and figure out from here where price could be going. In fact, let me just show you a few more trades that I took today using this principle. I had EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD looks like a late entry, but it is in my direction. Okay, another one was GBP USD. GBP USD also worked very well. And if you want to have these signals, guys, you can join the free Telegram channel. You'll find the information there on where to join. Another trade that we took was GBP CAD. Okay, this was another trade. See, it looks like a late entry, but it works out. Okay, and guys, I want to show you that trick. Let's go back to USD CHF. I want to show you using examples from here. Okay, first thing you need to know, if before you take the trade, you need to know if it is the right time to trade this pair. Okay, because there is always the right time to trade every pair. If you don't know those times, just check my videos on the time cheat sheets. I've made videos on that one, even though I haven't finished all the pairs, but I've already made videos on some of them. Just watch all those videos. They are going to help you on knowing the right time to trade, because you don't want to be placing trades in areas like this one, okay, where price is moving up and down. You want to place a trade when price is moving in one direction. If it is the right time for placing, or let me say, if it is the right time for that trade, you find that it is moving in one direction for a very long time, like that thing boom and crash, if you know it. Okay, price just moves in one direction. Maybe for this one, what is this? Is USD CHF. For USD CHF, it is the London session, guys. Okay, so during the London session, the blue box, you find that USD CHF is moving in one direction, okay, one direction. That is USD CHF. Okay, we're not there today. Just find those videos that are going to help you on the time cheat sheet. So that is the first thing you need to know. Is it the right time for that pair? Because if it is the right time, that pair is going to be moving in one direction for a long time. So it's safe to enter. The second thing, and the most important thing, you have to know where price could be going. Okay, if you see price moving in one direction, you have to know where price is going. Okay, and maybe to help you with that, let me just make an illustration. Whenever you see price breaking out, okay, let's say price is moving upward, let's draw a trend line. Okay, this is an upward channel. Whenever you see price breaking out of that channel like this, okay, you have to identify that place where price broke out. Okay, for example, for this, price broke out there. Okay, that is where price broke out, and now it is on a downward channel like this. Now what you need to know, guys, what you need to know is that whenever price breaks out of this channel and starts moving upwards, most of the time it is coming to test this area where price broke out. Okay, this same level where price broke out. So if you see price shooting up, know that price is coming to this region. Okay, so if you notice that and price is somewhere here, okay, and you know that it is the right time for trading this pair, just know that price is coming here. For you, maybe is to put your take profit somewhere here, because price can reverse before it gets here. Okay, maybe for a quick example, let's come to the same pair. And another thing, guys, you have to check this from a bigger time frame. For me, I like to do it from the daily time frame. Okay, from the daily time frame, if you can look at this was a downward channel. Okay, if this was a downward channel, even before I get here, let me show you this. Okay, there was this trend line. Okay, trend line is valid after 3 tests, guys. Price tested here, it tested here, and then there you can see that price showed that this is a key level. So when price broke out of there, you could mark that area. Let's just mark it. Price broke out there and continued moving downward. Okay, and when price broke out, it then, let's draw this, it then broke out again here and came back to test this region. Okay, let's remove this so that it doesn't confuse us. So you see price coming back to test this region. So if you were to notice price from here and you get a buy trade from there, if you knew this trick, you would put your take profit here, and then you see price coming to spike up until it gets to the dotted line. Why? It is where price broke out. Okay, now let me show you this. Notice that price was now on this upward channel. Okay, price was now on this upward channel, and right now you can see that price broke out of the channel. And when price broke out, you have to identify the region where price broke out when making this upward channel. And let's shift our dotted line, it is right here. Okay, so price broke out of here and moved up. It is very much expected that price comes to test this line. Okay, so that is why when I saw price on the smaller time frame, my smaller time frame is the 15-minute time frame. When I saw price making this aggressive move, first thing I knew that it was the London session, so it was the right time to trade this pair. Okay, and then price was here. I knew that I could still enter because price is moving in one direction anyway, and it is coming to this dotted line based on the higher time frame price destination. Okay guys, I will come back to make another video to illustrate more on this because it really works, and it would be good that you master it so that you make it in Forex. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next videos. Bye bye.